Lip syncing doesn't have to be complicated, and it doesn't need to take forever. In this tutorial, I'll show you an easy alternative to Dreamface that will use quick and effortless. Stick around till the end. I've got a few tips that will take your lip syncing to the next level.
Hello guys, so in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to use this lip syncing tool, which I like to call an alternative for the Dreamface app, right? Dreamface app is fantastic, no doubt, but you see this, I'm in love with this at the moment, right? So when you want to use this, the first thing you do, you type in lip sync video, as you can see, right? And tap on that, and then it brings you to the next space. Yeah, this is the mobile view. If you want or you prefer, you can use the desktop view. That's fine. All right, now, so this is the interface. If this is your first time of using it, obviously you're going to sign up with your favorite Google account. I'm already signed in, so I don't need to do that now. Now, I'm going to show you a couple of things. You can actually use this tool for a lot of things. You tap on these three lines here, and then you see different tools. Now, at the moment, I want to first of all explain this to you. You have the lip sync tool, AI video tools, AI image tools. Now, the purpose of this tutorial is to talk about lip sync, so that's what we'll be focusing on. So when you tap that, you can see all manner of tools, the AI lip sync, talking photo, AI avatar, and a lot of stuff. So our focus will be on using the AI lip sync tool. So which means you'll be lip syncing your videos. You can actually lip sync your photos if you want, but I feel the video versions gives a more realistic expression and all of that. However, you can try out, you can explore the picture lip syncing, and it works well for you. Why not? Now, the next thing I want you to pay attention to is the coins. You need to work with coins. If it's your first time signing in, you're going to be entitled to 300 credits. If you check in every day, you get 100 credits daily in addition to what you already have. However, if you actually sign up daily, you also get 300 credits. As at now, I've used up some part of the 300 credit I was given today. So that's the advantage of that. Then once those coins are exhausted, then you're done until the next day. Now, when we are back to the main interface, right? One thing that I want you to take note of, if you're using the AI lip sync tool, as I said earlier, this is the space where you upload the video. Definitely before now, I assume you already know how to animate your images to videos that you'll be using for lip sync. So those videos that you've already animated are the videos you'll be uploading from here. Now take note of this. It can only support MP4, web, and all those details within there. Then the size must not be more than 30 MB. And then by that measurement, so you keep that in mind, because if it's more than that, it will not allow it. Then you also see this section where you get to set, actually whether you set it or not, it automatically sets it. If you're working for YouTube thumbnail videos, YouTube videos rather, you use your 16:9, and if you're using for shorts or reels, you use your 9:2. But however, whether you set it or not, it has a way of automatically setting it really. Then another section to pay attention to is the model. Now, this first model, it might seem cheap because you only need 1 credit per second, and you can do a maximum of 90 seconds. So even though it's cheap, the quality is not on point. But this particular one is way better. As you can see, realistic lip syncing and movement. Another details. But just that it's more expensive. You need 6 credits, and maximum you can go is 30 seconds per time. Now here's another interesting thing that you need to keep in mind. Because it can only go maximum of 30 seconds, unlike Dreamface, it will not trim it automatically for you. You have to use a different tool entirely to trim if your video is longer than, or your audio rather, is longer than 30 seconds, you figure out another tool that you can use. I use Audiolab. You can also check out some sites, AI tools online through Google that you can use for trimming. So you trim, you download in 30 seconds batch, or if less, you trim that out, right?
So, if you're enjoying this so far and want more tutorials like this, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Drop a comment below telling me what video you're going to use this lip sync tool for. Let's talk about ideas.
So that's the thing about that. Then if you scroll down to this section where you either enter your text now. The fact that I mentioned audio doesn't mean you have to use audio. If you want to input your text and choose voice, you can do that as well. Okay. And if you want to upload your audio that you've recorded or AI generated, as the case may be, you can do that as well. And if you want to record your voice directly, why not? You can do that. So you make any option of your choice. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using uploaded audio. Okay. So this is where you see this bottom where you have generate is where the total number of credits that you'll be needing will be calculated. All right, now, so it's already set for AI lip sync. So I'm going to upload my video. All right, now, so I've chosen the video of my choice. So while it's loading, sort of waiting for you, we're going to actually be patient. It's after a couple of seconds. If your data is strong, okay, it's ready. You find it there. So then you scroll down. You choose this option. Remember, I said you should choose lip sync model 2.0. That is way better than, even though it's more expensive, it's better. Okay. You can actually explore the first one. If it sits well with you, why not? But this is the better one. All right. So I'm not imputing my text, but if I wanted to, I'll type whatever I want it to say here. Okay. And after typing that, you allow it to put, like I said, I'm doing the audio. So you tap on this to choose your audio. Then from your media, you make a choice. All right, now, so I've chosen the audio of my choice. The total duration is 6 seconds plus. So remember, it's 6 credits per second. So by the time it has the total, I'm going to be needing 42 credits. So remember, I told you I already used part of it. So thank God, thankfully I have 58. So that means I have enough, or else it won't be generated. So after that, the next thing you do is, of course, hit the generate button. So you get a notification that your video is being created. You can check my creations. So if you want to see the progress, this section, this my creation, you tap on that and then you can view the percentage of the progress. Yeah, as we can see here, it's on 9%. So you patiently hold on until it's 100%. You can view and then you download. All right, now it's downloaded. As you can see, you see the download button over here. You tap on that and then it's downloaded to your gallery. So when you check your gallery, you'll be able to view it and it will be a fantastic result.
For the complete breakdown and to see how this lip sync tool can transform your videos.
All right, now, so this was in the portrait form. If it's also going to be for YouTube videos, you'll have it exactly like that. And that's basically all. Very simple, very fast, and the quality is intact. The expression and everything is just flowing exactly as it's supposed to be. So like I said, there are other options there. Talking photo, you can exploit if you want. Yeah, maybe podcasts. Any of them, just go through them and explore and see what you fall in love with that you'd like to use.
I hope this video helps you create amazing lip syncing videos in no time. If you want more tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe.